Now I get asked this question a lot, that at what age we should start using retinol products or anti-aging products in general, and what should be the percentages. And today we are tackling both of the things. So now retinol is amazing ingredient in the skincare. Like, it's this magical ingredient for graceful aging. It helps with collagen production, helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and all the good stuff, etc. I'm not even stating 1% of the things it does to your skin, but you might not want to use it at any age, because our skin is intelligent itself. It produces its own collagen and help us not age. But we should start using the retinol when our skin's ability to produce that collagen decreases with age. So I suggest somewhere between, you can start from 25 years of age to 30 years of age would be the right time. Between this time frame, maybe you're 25, maybe you're 30, or in between, should be the perfect time for you to start retinol products. So which one to pick from, what percentage you should go for? Now there are a lot of different percentages which come in retinol products. So now what you want to do is that you should start with the lowest percentage possible, and then over the years build your tolerance up to the higher percentages. Now don't get alarmed by the word tolerance, because yes, retinol products can be tricky and they can overstrip the skin if at all you are not using them correctly. So if you want a whole video on how to use collagen products and what all to do with it, let me know in the comment section. We'll do a separate video for that. So I'm using the product from The Ordinary. It is the retinol 0.2 in squalene, and this is, you can say, the perfect beginner's retinol to start with. This is mild enough and I've been using it for a while. I love using this one, and also the best part of this is that this is in squalene, which is an oil which is meant to be hydrating. Like this oil is amazing, it truly hydrates the skin. So this product will take care of not overstripping your skin as a beginner, and will surely help you guys. Now where to get this one or any other retinols which are not available in India, I will link a website again. Beautybay.com is a website which sells the Ordinary products and other products which you might be interested in. But it's the thing is that in India we need to pay kind of a custom fee or their delivery fee, which is like $4.99 or $3.99 depending on your parcel. So you need to pay that amount and you can get it at your place. So that is very easy. Or if you want to get it from Instagram sellers, I will link their description, I will link their handles in the description box for you to check that out. And if you want to know more about retinol and stuff, leave me in the comment section so that we can come and do a separate video for it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.